Hello music producers and welcome to this exciting video. And in this particular video we're going to be talking about one of the most famous plugins when it comes to mixing or working with vocals, and that is what we call Autotune. And before we dive into any details of how to use Autotune, we got to know what Autotune is. So Autotune is just a plugin, but it has basically taken over the word known as pitch correction. So the right word is actually pitch correction, and there are so many plugins that can do what Autotune does. There are even some stock plugins that can do the same thing. All right, guys. So basically, pitch correction is an effect that changes the pitch of an audio signal to fit a particular key. All right, the particular key in which the song is in. All right, guys. So as you can see, we have a song going on here, and there are a lot of vocals here. But I'm just gonna go ahead and mute all these ones. These are just the background vocals, the harmonies and everything. Let's just work on the main vocals and see how the Autotune works on this main vocal. All right, guys. So let's just go ahead and play the song and see what exactly we're working with.
Oh Lord, our God, how excellent is your name.
So, all right, guys. So I'm just going to be going over all the major buttons and settings you need to know about to start working with Autotune right away. All right. So first things first, the most important setting you need to set while working with Autotune is the key and scale of your song. All right, this is the most important setting you need to find out, because without it, whatever you're doing is going to be out of key. Like we said before, pitch correction, it's adjusting those pitches to the key of the song. So it's going to work based on what you input right here in the key. Now, if you have Autotune Pro already, you should already have other plugins that come along with it. And in there, we have what we call auto key. So this auto key is an auto, it detects the key of a song automatically. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and play this song, and auto key is going to actually find the key of the song for us.
Oh Lord, our God, how excellent is your name. Your name.
All right, guys. So as you can see, it gave us F sharp major. And one thing you should know about all this software is that if the song is a little bit too complex, they might not really figure out exactly the scale. So one good way for you to work around this is just for you to trust your ears and kind of find out that sweet spot that your key is. Okay, and one way to do this is just by bringing up the FL keys and then just kind of work your way around through the key and find out which notes that sit in perfectly. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and play the song now, and I'm going to be clicking each note to hear the sound and hear in detail which note is most balanced, all right, as the song is being played. So let's go ahead and have a listen.
Oh Lord, our God, how excellent is your name.
All right, guys, so as you can see, the F sharp major was correct. Autotune actually got it right. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to go over to your Autotune, all right, and then you set that key. So you can see it's on F sharp, and we have the major scale right here. So the next thing you actually want to work with is your input type, and this is just basically how the vocal is. You can see soprano, because the vocalist here is a very high pitch, like it's a female, and she sings on the high end. All right, so that's why I went to soprano. If it's just a normal male voice or a female voice that's just on the normal side, all right, you can go with alto and tenor. And if it's a low voice, like a low male, the person has a kind of deep voice, you can go for this low male section. And if it's an instrument or a bass instrument, well, those you can always go ahead and select them. So depending on which area your vocalist or whatever you're working with, the area it falls into, you can just go ahead and select that. Now, another knob that is very, very, very important, which is the most important knob aside the key, it's the retune speed. This knob right here. Now, this knob is actually the major Autotune effect. The higher it goes, the faster the retune speed is. And what the retune speed is just how fast it corrects the pitch to the right note it's meant to be. All right. So the faster it is, the more auto-tune-ish it sounds, the more you hear that auto-tune effect, the more robotic it sounds. All right. So if I'm to take this to the highest right now, like it's in the highest is in lowest, sorry, is at zero. All right, rating speed is at zero. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and play it, and you hear how the effect is actually very, very noticeable.
Oh Lord, our God, how excellent is your name. Your name is strange.
All right, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it at zero and gradually increase the retune speed. All right, so that you can hear how it gradually changes from zero retune speed to the highest retune speed.
Oh Lord, our God, how excellent is your name. Your name is strength. Your name is power. A strong tower.
All right, there is no right or wrong way to do this. You can set the retune speed to zero depending on what you sense is right, or depending on what you sense is best. That is where you leave it at. All right, guys. So right at the bottom right here, we have what we call flex tune, and basically what flex tune does, it tells Autotune to automatically at some point detect where Autotune actually is not necessary. Autotune at some point it actually doesn't get that key right, or some technical places it might actually not function well. Okay, so when you increase the flex tune right here, it actually tells you're just kind of telling Autotune it to at some point just kind of chill out and just let the natural key or let the natural pitch flow through. All right, and next to that over here we have what we call humanize, and basically this does exactly what it sounds like. So like we heard before, when we reduce the retune speed down to zero, you can hear that kind of robotic effect. So what humanize does is that it kind of brings back that natural feeling of how we sound. All right, so the more you increase it, the more natural the sound, the more natural it sounds like. You just have to play with this. Like I said before, there is really no right or wrong with this. It's just kind of you play with the knobs, hear how it sounds, and try to find a balance to how it sounds and try to put it in that sweet spot you want it to be.
Oh Lord, our God, how excellent is your name. Your name is strength. Your name is power.
All right, guys. So that is that for the humanize. All right, guys. So below right here at the bottom, we have natural vibrato, and basically what this does, it actually kind of increases or reduces the vibrato that already exists in the vocal. So if you move it to the right, it kind of increases the vibrato, and if you move it over to the left, it kind of reduces the vibrato. Right then, so there's some other few options that are here. Basically these are all the main options that you should mess around with. All right, but over here we have what we call throat, and then we also have what we call transpose right here. You can actually just mess around with this and just kind of it's some kind of effect stuff you actually want to work with. You can just kind of play around with this and find what sits good and what sounds good to you.
Oh Lord, our God, how excellent is your name.
All right, guys, and over here we have transpose, and transpose does exactly what it says.
Oh God, oh excellent is your name.
All right, guys. So as you can see, we can actually do a lot of a lot of awesome things with this mighty plugin that Autotune has given onto us. So as we all know, Autotune isn't free. All right, it is a paid plugin. All All right, but in case you want to actually check out a way to pitch correct in FL Studio, there's actually a stock plugin that actually does the exact thing that Autotune does. And what I want you to do right now is to click on the video that you see on your screen now to check out how to use that stock plugin to pitch correct your vocals. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and also enable notifications so that you don't miss out when I drop new videos like this for you.